Hi everyone, how you doing? I'm going to be making for you today, it's called pasta alla Norma. It's a Sicilian dish. It's made with eggplant. And I can't wait to have it. Haven't had it in a very long time. So let me show you. I'm going to cut the eggplant. And we're going to put them on the paper towels. Could either slice them like French fry, or you could slice them and then dice them, however you want. There's no set way. So what I'm going to do is salt these and wait about 15 minutes to a half hour until all the water comes out. And then when you're done, you're going to pat them dry and then cut them, and then I'll have the oil heating up so I can fry them. I'll be back. Okay, so I patted dry the eggplant, wiped off some of the salt, and cut it into strips. The oil is heating up, it's nice and hot. There you go. Okay, so you're gonna, don't overload the frying pan. All right, so I have all the eggplant fried. They should be browned like this. What I have here is about 3-4 cloves of garlic and about 1/4 teaspoon, maybe a little bit more, of hot pepper and some basil. We're gonna move this around. I have my pasta already in cooking. If you were going to use the paste, the tablespoon of paste, you would put it in now. Add the tomato. Add some salt. About a teaspoon. If it is done, we're going to take the pasta out, put it in here with a good portion of the eggplant. But you're going to save some of the eggplant when you plate it to put on top. And then you're going to grate some cheese on it. Okay, so the pasta here, we're going to put it in the sauce. Turn that off. We're going to take some of the eggplant and put it in here. And mix it around. Oh, that looks good. I'm going to plate some here. Oh. Now, like I said, you're supposed to put En Salata ricotta En Salata. But you can substitute rigatoni romano, which I'm going to do right here. You're going to take a few of the eggplants and put it on top. And we're going to give it a taste. That's delicious. Wow. I hope you try it. It's not that hot. But bon appetit.